Whatever your garage door needs, a repair, a new door, a quieter opener, a screen, we handle all of it. And the visit to look at it is free. We're Florida Garage Door Pros, a family company out of Spring Hill. Our own crew, no subcontractors, 7 days a week. We install new garage doors. The old door comes down, the new one goes up. One day, start to finish. We repair garage doors, broken springs, worn cables, doors off the track. When we're done, you can lift it with one finger. We replace garage door openers. The new belt drives run quiet. Every one of these starts the same way. A free service visit, 7 days a week. We install hurricane-rated doors, built to Florida code. And we install garage screens that turns the hottest room in your house into space you'll actually use. New doors, repairs, openers, hurricane-rated doors, garage screens. One family company handles it all. Over 3,000 reviews from your neighbors. Call us today for a free inspection. 352-263-3232.